Assalamualaikum to my advisors Zainuri and Azmaina Dr. Mazna for MGT666. I am Nur Aina Syara binti Abdul Razak from BA24068. Now I'm going to present my industrial training report at Panasonic Manufacturing Malaysia Berhad. First, this is my student profile which contain my resume. In my resume, it includes my name, my email, contact information, career objective, work experience, education background, and many more. I have sent this resume to the HR department of Panasonic Manufacturing Malaysia Berhad along with application letters to do my practical training there. So now let's continue to the company profile. So the company that I choose to be my practical training is called as Pmma, which stands as Panasonic Manufacturing Malaysia Berhad. It is located at Jalan Sesiku 15, which is at section 15 in Shah Alam. This company have two plants, which is plant 1 and plant 2. We call as SA1 plant and SA2 plant. The headquarters is at SA1, which is in section 15. Meanwhile, the SA2 is in section 23 in Shah Alam. Both plants were occupied with canteen, cafe, clinic, and ATM machine for the welfare of staff. The vision of Pmma is a top global company by pursuing the management objective of realizing a ubiquitous networking society and coexisting with the global environment through cutting-edge technologies. Meanwhile, the mission is we strive for the creation of new values by pursuing user-friendliness and accomplishing a high-touch mindset driven by challenging spirit and full speed of actions. For the objective of this company, we recognize our responsibility as industrialists. We will devote ourselves to the progress and the development of society and the well-being of people through our business activities, thereby enhancing the quality of life throughout the world. Now let's talk about what product is being produced at SA1 and SA2 plant. So in SA1 section 15, the product that we produce is home shower and electric iron. Meanwhile, for SA2 plant, the company produces home appliances such as vacuum cleaner, electric fan, ceiling fan, and ventilating fans. The company sells its consumer electronic product, system solution product, life solution products, and energy products under the brand name Panasonic. Now let's take a look who is the founder of Panasonic. Konosuke Matsushita was a Japanese industrialist who founded Panasonic, the largest Japanese consumer electronic company. Matsushita is referred to as the god of management in Japan. Matsushita once summarized his own philosophy as follows: we should value people and regard them as important. This word encapsulated with his view of human's life. In Pmma, before we start our day to work at this company, we are required to read the company creed and the 7 principles to express our attitude toward the way we conduct our work on a daily basis as employees of the Panasonic Group. This is the 7 principles that we need to read every morning. First is contribution to the society. Second, fairness and honesty. Third is cooperation and team spirit. Fourth is untiring effort for improvement. Fifth, courtesy and humanity. Sixth, adaptability. And lastly is gratitude. For this part, I will expose to you about Pmma history. In 1962, Konosuke Matsushita was visited by the first Prime Minister in Malaysia in Japan and eventually christened Matsushita in Malaysia as Malcolm, stand for Matsushita Electric Company Malaysia. In 1966, Pmma became a listed company and raised up capital to 3 million. Today, that vision has turned into a giant global business in more than 130 countries around the world. In 2000, Pmma was received Malaysia Good Design Mark Award for Smart Cooker Series and FS40. At the time, Pmma produced rice cooker, but now we only produce home shower and also electric iron. In 2005, On 37th anniversary celebration, Malcolm changed the name to Panasonic Manufacturing Malaysia Berhad, which is PMMA that we use right now. In 2023, PMMA was held its 15th anniversary celebration. Next part is training reflection. In PMMA, I will be working for 6 months starting from 4 September 2023 until 8 February 2024. Actually, I will be end at 9 February and extend 1 week to complete 24 weeks. But PMMA will be off for a week because of Chinese New Year for the following weeks. So I will last on 8 February 2024. During my working hour 8 to 5:10 p.m., I have to arrive at the office by 7:57 a.m. in order to attend morning exercise and read that 7 principles on a daily basis as the employees there. In PMMA, we have 3 breaks, which is morning break at 10 a.m., lunch break at 1 p.m., and tea break at 3 p.m. For this training reflection, my main role in this section is to support or assist executive with any basic tasks, such as timekeeping and attendance tracking. I need to always check employees' absence status and late coming status so that I can refer to all department clerks and give warning to the staff. Second, make staff guarantee letter. In this case, I need to help staff to make appointment with the panel hospital, which is KPJ Hospital, which is in Klang and Shah Alam, Assunta Hospital, Sri Kota Medical Center, and Sentosa Specialist Hospital. Third, I will always need to make filing and documentation. All the medical leave, late attendance form, time off, medical time slip, and else need to be arranged and filing for every month. Fourth, give uniform and briefing new staff. Every Monday and Wednesday, PMMA will have new staff for temporary staff, which is contract staff. Fifth, issue uniform charging by all departments in PMMA, coming with data entry and assisting with HR tasks. The benefit that I gained from this internship were the monthly allowance that I received, which is RM800. Not only that, every day for lunch only, PMMA gave free rice to all employees and suppliers that come in this company to have lunch. During my internship, I gained many knowledge and skills throughout this 6-month experience, such as experience of what the real life working feels like. Furthermore, when I work outside my hometown, I can be confident and be taught myself how to communicate with the outsiders that I didn't know. This is because I also need to communicate with many suppliers such as pest control, hygiene suppliers, chemical suppliers, and also with nurse in in-house clinic and many more. Last section, I will continue to SWOT analysis. For strength, the first is strong brand recognition. The strong brand recognition of Panasonic was because of the well-established Japanese multinational electronics corporation that has been operating over a century. The company has built a reputation for producing a wide range of consumer and industrial products known for their quality, reliability, and innovation. Everyone on Malaysia know about National and Matsushita Electric. For the recommendation, based on the strong brand recognition, I would like to suggest that consumer-centric approach. Customer want and preference must be prioritized in order to maintain brand loyalty. Next is employee benefits. PMA prioritize employee well-being and provide a positive environment. They provide life insurance, healthcare check, disability and invalidity coverage, housing loans, and retirement assistance. For the recommendation, PMMA can improve the limitation of employee family members. For now, PMMA just covers around 2,000 for children and housewives. Maybe they can upgrade the cover values because if they use all the RM2000, they need to wait for the next year. Next is weaknesses. First is the stability of the network connection. A stable network connection is essential for various aspects of modern businesses, including communication, data transfer, access to cloud service, and overall productivity. In Pmma, the network connection there is very bad and not stable. They don't provide us with Wi-Fi. Only the PCs get the coverage for Wi-Fi, but sometimes PC also got stuck and the server also have problem. Meanwhile, by prioritizing network stability, business also can enhance productivity and reduce downtime. To overcome these weaknesses, Pmma can invest in high-quality equipment such as a router, switches, access point, and a cable to manage traffic efficiently and reducing downtime. Second weakness is competitive pressure. Pmma may face challenges from other established electronic manufacturers such as LG and Samsung. Pmma faces challenges in the fast-paced business world to its marketing capabilities being challenged by aggressive consumer electronic brands. The recommendation for these matters: Pmma must overcome competitive pressure by embracing innovation, focusing on consumer needs, and strengthening brand differentiation. By investing in R&D and a customer-centric approach, sustainability and digital transformation, Pmma can position itself for long-term success. Third is opportunity. First opportunity for Pmma is technological advance. Pmma has the chance to improve its manufacturing processes and product offering by leveraging technology breakthrough. They can adopt in smart manufacturing technologies such as Internet of Things sensors and automation present one of the most significant prospects. The organization can monitor real-time data and performance indicator by adding IoT sensor to their production. For the recommendation, Pmma can continuously learn new skills and become more effective by following trends and adopting new technologies. By focusing on R&D expenditures and securing product innovation through trademark rights, Pmma can maintain its position in the global markets, create new growth opportunities. Next is focus on new markets. By focusing on new markets, Pmma can produce more quality and assurance product in the future. As the company has strong brand reputations and has been in this industry for more than 6 decades, Pmma also will attract investors to invest in the company in the future. For the recommendation, market research is essential for companies to enter new market efficiently. By analyzing market size, customer demographic, competition, the regulatory environment, cultural variables, companies can make informed decisions. Lastly, for SWOT analysis is the threat. First threat is supply chain. In Pmma, disruption always occurs because of the suppliers who supplies the part for the production, which can cause production delays or even cease production when demand is high. The supplier often use excuses like delivery problems and shutdowns for restoration and reconstruction. To overcome this issue, Pmma can implement it by building backup inventory and optimizing supply chain management for the future. Building backup inventory involves determining the amount of inventory to be stored in case of a delay or disruption in the supply chain. Second is intense competition. Due to its R&D expertise, Panasonic confronts competition from Samsung, LG, and Sony, endangering its market share and profitability. The technology sector is rapidly changing, and the features of the industry contradict the concept the market share reliably reflect market strength. For the recommendation, Pmma needs to invest more in advising specialists on how to increase earnings. Panasonic should develop a product that can be used at any time and consider developing something that does not currently exist on market. They should examine its competitors such as Tefal and Dyson, which known for their creative product in order to compete with electrical businesses. In conclusion, Pmma has a good ability to achieve its own vision and mission, especially if they focus on the redevelopment structures of management and work closely with the company's regulation and improve their product. In order to become the leader of its own platform, it has to take advantage of a lot of opportunities while tackling its weaknesses. Therefore, being a well-known company does not mean that Pmma cannot come out with new and advanced products. Reflecting SWOT is another important value that needs to be viewed by the company to show accelerated improvement in the future.